From a small workshop crafting custom jewelry to a massive factory producing car engines, one technology is transforming the way products are made: CAM, or computer-aided manufacturing. CAM takes designs created in CAD software and translates them into precise instructions for machines like CNC tools, 3D printers, and milling systems. It's the bridge between design and production, and its benefits apply to industries of all sizes. For small businesses, CAM is a game changer. Imagine a local craftsman or startup. Cost savings: they can avoid expensive trial and error by simulating production digitally. Customization: small workshops can offer personalized products, from custom furniture to dental implants. Faster prototyping: entrepreneurs can test and refine their ideas quickly without heavy investments in manual labor. This levels the playing field, allowing smaller companies to compete with bigger ones through innovation and flexibility. For large-scale manufacturers like automotive, aerospace, and electronics, CAM is about efficiency and precision at scale. Mass production: CAM enables the production of thousands of identical parts with minimal errors. Time efficiency: automated machining reduces downtime and speeds up output. Quality control: CAM integrates with advanced sensors to ensure products meet strict safety and performance standards. In industries where one tiny error can cost millions, CAM provides consistency and reliability. Another key benefit for both small and large industries is resource optimization. CAM reduces material waste, improves energy efficiency, and supports sustainable manufacturing. Plus, cloud-based CAM solutions allow teams across the globe to collaborate in real time. So whether it's empowering a small business to innovate or helping a global corporation scale up production, CAM is at the heart of modern manufacturing. It's not just about making products, it's about making them smarter, faster, and better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunshine Digital Services for more insights into design and manufacturing.